Welcome to Coastal 101, I'm John Kelly. The unsung hero of any car or truck is the battery. Why? Well, because without one, you aren't going anywhere. Now it's true that batteries were designed to last for years, but they do eventually die. So today, I'm going to show you how to change one on your own. Quick warning, if you have a newer vehicle, there's a good chance it's packed with computers. Changing the battery incorrectly can affect things like your heating and air conditioning controls, as well as your engine performance. Consulting a pro can help you avoid those issues. Also, if your battery is on the inside of your vehicle, under the passenger seat or back seat, get it professionally installed. Those batteries require special ventilation to keep you and your passengers safe. Okay, let's get started. First, look for the negative symbol and positive symbol on the old battery. Unhook the cable from the negative terminal or post. Then, unhook the positive cable. Now, loosen the battery stabilizer or lock bar that keeps the battery in place. Then, lift the battery out and set it aside. To add your new battery, do everything in reverse. Place the new battery into position and lock it down. Then, connect the positive terminal, followed by the negative. Start your vehicle and let it run a few minutes. Your Northwest-owned and operated Coastal has whole sections of auto supplies, including fluid, tools, and more. While you're there, why not pick up anything else you need, like boots, hunting and fishing supplies, licenses, feed, and power equipment. We're just what the country needs. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.